This video will demonstrate on how to install the Luna app. On your iOS device's browser, go to luna-10.herokuapp.com or just tap on the download link found inside the Luna group. Now tap on the moon and then a pop-up dialog will appear, so just tap on open. And then another pop-up dialog, tap on install. Why are there so many pop-up? I don't know, don't ask me. Now, go to the home screen and wait for the app to finish installing. My, now look at those unread emails. Hope one of them is an invitation to go to Dreamforce. Okay, my internet connection is kinda draggy now. Finishing. Okay, done. When you try opening the app, it will notify you that the Salesforce distributor is not trusted. So we need to manually trust it inside the settings app. So many trust issues here. Okay, go to generals, where's general here? And then scroll down to device management and then tap on Salesforce. Click on trust. Now finally, we can open the Luna app. Okay, for the first time users, please register your valid email address here as your username. The activation link will be sent, so wait at least 5 minutes for the email to arrive. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.